When it comes to network management, the Cisco Business Dashboard CBD Manager streamlines the process. It's a distributed application comprised of two separate components or applications. There can be one or more probes, referred to as Cisco Business Dashboard probes, and a single manager called the Cisco Business Dashboard Manager. An instance of CBD probe is installed at each site in the network that performs network discovery and communicates directly with its Cisco devices. The Embedded Switch Probe supports both probe managed mode and direct managed mode. The settings for the Embedded Switch Probe can be found in the Web User Interface, UI, of the switch. In this first of a two-part episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to connect the CBD Embedded Switch Probe on Cisco Catalyst 1200 and 1300 switches. Next. The CBD Embedded Switch Probe functionality has been added in firmware version 4.1 for Cisco Catalyst 1200 and 1300 series switches. The probe version is 2.6.1. Be sure to always update to the latest firmware available on your devices for the latest features and bug fixes. Log into the web UI of the switch. Navigate to Administration, and then click on Cisco Business Dashboard Settings. By default, the probe and dashboard connections are disabled. When you use CBD with a signed certificate and an embedded probe in the switch, you need the CBD probe feature. This feature requires CA certificates to set up HTTPS communication with CBD. You need to install the root CA certificate on the switch. This is the signed dashboard certificate. If the switch mode is changed to advanced, you'll see more options for selecting logging thresholds. Next, navigate to your CBD interface and select Network. In this menu, the network and organization name where I'm planning to connect the switch embedded probe can be viewed. In this example, I'm using the Cisco Business Dashboard 2.6.1. Moving along, navigate to the System menu and then choose Certificate. Download the certificate chain by clicking the Download Certificate Chain button at the bottom of the screen. In Catalyst 1200 or 1300 switches, two connection setup options are available to connect the CBD probe. If you select the Online with Web Browser option, you do not need to remember the access key ID or access key secret. It'll automatically be fetched from CBD. However, if you choose the Offline with Access Key option, you will need to get the access key ID and access key secret from CBD. To get the access key ID, navigate to the Administration menu in your CBD UI and then click on Users. Then, select the admin users. Scroll down to the Access Key tab. Click on the Generate Access Key button. Enter a description in the field provided. For this example, I'll enter CBD_2.6.1. Set a suitable expiry date. I'll select the first option for a shorter duration. After that, when you click Save, the access key ID and access key secret will be generated. As seen in the notification, you can copy and store the access key now. Once you've stored the information, click Done. That wraps up Part 1. Click the link in the description for Part 2, where I will complete the rest of the steps. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.